Hey guys, back with me again. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can make a CapCut English auto subtitles. So I have already imported my tutorial video actually on CapCut, and I'm going to add the English auto subtitles on it. So what you need to do is basically so easy. You just need to go to text and here choose auto captions, so it will make the auto subtitle also, and here choose the original sound and select the language, of course English. And here you can also activate to identify filler words and pauses, and you can also use the dynamic caption. This is a new feature on CapCut, and I've already made a video about this on my channel. You can check that out, and I'm going to turn this on like so, and then after that just click on start. It will be creating the auto captions or subtitle. You can just wait, and after that, okay, so just wait until the creating captions is finished. And now here is the auto English subtitles on CapCut. You can see you can change the animations. I'm going to not have the animations, and here is what the subtitle will look like. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can add an English auto subtitles in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also subscribe and leave a comment. Don't forget to also click on the thanks below. Bye.